All this week on Dateline Schools, we've been visiting the St. Clair County Technical Education Center, which is about to have one of their most exciting days of the year, their annual open house, coming up on February 20th. And to tell us all about it, my special guest all this week has been the director here at Tech, Pat Yanik. And Pat, again, we're talking about the open house. When and where is that going to happen?
So it is here at St. Clair Tech, Thursday, February 20th from 5:30 to 8 p.m.
And who are you hoping will come to this event?
Well, certainly parents and students that are currently in 10th grade that are looking at the possibility of coming to Tech the following fall. But we'd love to have 8th through 10th graders. And if mom and dad, if they're bringing a 10th grader or an 8th grader and they've got a 7th and a 5th grader, that's good too. Bring the family. We'll have refreshments. It's open so that they can walk freely. They don't have to, stay in one program if they don't want to. They get to roam about the building and look at what they want to look at.
If a student comes to the open house and still doesn't have an idea of what they want to do when they grow up, I think some of us are still working on that piece, but, and not quite sure what they want to do, but they like what they see here out at the open house. How do you help them make that decision, which program to get into?
So we encourage them to, if they're not sure, we encourage them to come back for something we call a Tech Shadow, which is spending half a day. We encourage them to talk to their local guidance counselor about Tech and the opportunity for them to come to Tech. And we encourage them to, if they are interested, to get on the list at their local district with their counselor just as soon as they can. Tech is, to some degree, first come, first serve, and so we certainly, if they're really interested, we want them to get with their counselor just as soon as possible.
Any other requirements that the kids need to meet to be eligible to come here to Tech?
No, if they attend a local public school in St. Clair County, they're welcome to attend. If they're homeschooled, private school, what they would need to do is enroll through one of the local school districts because we don't have enrollment here at Tech. The enrollment comes through a local district.
And if a parent or a student comes up to you at the open house and say, Mr. Yanik, I love this place, look at it, but why should I come here to Tech? What would you tell them?
Tech gives you the opportunity to find out what career possibilities match your skills, interests, and ability. And then it also allows you to have the opportunity to either enter work right after high school and or advance your career education through college, post-secondary training, on-the-job training after high school. So it gives you a lot of flexibility.
Don't forget that open house is February 20th, beginning at 5:30 until 8 p.m. that evening. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington. Dateline Schools is a production of St. Clair County RESA.